What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So here we have a fume extractor. Now this product was given to me by a company here to extract the fume when I'm soldering wires. This can obviously be used for anything that works with fume and stuff, but we are going to use it for the soldering. So let's unbox this, put it together, let me get some wires, let me get some solder, and we are going to do this, see how it works. Specifically made for solder fume, but we can use it for anything, I think, whatever fumes you got around, maybe little spray can things and stuff. It could be most likely to extract the fumes, but we are going to follow the instructions that comes with this fume extractor, use it for what it's made for. Let's go. Alright, so it looks like you get 1, 2, 3 carbon filters and one already on it. So for that comes already pre-built in, and this is the fan. Let's remove this out the way. We got the wire here. Actually pretty solid, it's a solid heavy fan, so good material. Let's get this out of the way. Alright, you put that on, plug it on, and it's going to extract the fumes. We have also carbon filters, we are going to throw that off the way. Now I was reading this and it says, thank you for purchasing the solder fume extractor. These products go through a good test, all customer support gives you 3 months of unconditional exchange or return policy and promises to provide it 2 years after sold services. So that's actually pretty good, and it's made with plastic aluminum alloy. It's a 110 volts. Maximum airflow is 3,300 milliliters a minute. That's pretty cool. So let's try it out. Let's get some wire and some solder. Let's see what goes on. I like this so much. It's actually very quiet. You can barely hear it. So listen to this. It's pretty cool and it works. It actually works real good. It doesn't emit a little breeze on the sides. It's supposed to pull the fumes in. It doesn't emit a little breeze on the sides. It's supposed to pull the fumes in, which it was doing. But I think if you come off to the side here, it pushes the solder out. Other than that, when you do it directly in the center, it pulls through. I like it. It's actually pretty good. It's small, it's portable, and it's nice. Right now, you can barely even hear it working. See the breeze? It's being thrown into the fume extractor. I would definitely say this product is amazing. It's actually good to have around because honestly the solder fumes are not that good to breathe in. Like, these things cause health effects. Having something like this to extract that fumes away from you, or just do it outside. But if you can do it outside and you have to do it indoors, get the extractor. Let it pull out. The carbon filter will filter everything out there. It's good. It's actually a good product, so definitely pick yours up. I will leave the links in the description for you guys. Check it out, see if you like it. If you want it, get it. If not, no worries, but it's definitely worth it. I think it's cool. You will find the product link below this video. See you all later. Peace out.